across, to meet someone or something. मिलना. For example, पार्टी में मुझे पुराना दोस्त मिला. I came across an old friend at the party. I came across an old friend at the party. Give up. To stop trying or quit. छोड़ देना. For example, उसने सालों की कोशिश के बाद धूम्रपान छोड़ दिया. He gave up smoking after years of trying. He gave up smoking after years of trying. Look forward. To eagerly await or anticipate something. उत्सुकता से प्रतीक्षा करना. For example, मैं अपनी छुट्टी की उत्सुकता से प्रतीक्षा कर रहा हूँ. I am looking forward to my vacation. I am looking forward to my vacation. Bring along. To accompany or take. साथ लाना. For example, अपने दोस्तों को साथ लाओ. Bring your friends along. Bring your friends along. Count on. To rely or depend. भरोसा करना. For example, आप मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हैं. You can count on me. You can count on me. Face up. To accept or confront. सामना करना. For example, आपको अपने डर का सामना करना होगा. You must face up to your fears. You must face up to your fears. Make up. To invent or reconcile. बनाना. उसने एक कहानी बनाई. She made up a story. She made up a story. Cut down. To reduce or decrease. कम करना. For example, चीनी का सेवन कम करें. Cut down on sugar intake. Cut down on sugar intake. Go for. To choose or support. चुनना. For example, मैं नीली शर्ट चुन रहा हूँ. I'm going for the blue shirt. I'm going for the blue shirt. Hold on. To wait or pause. रुकना. For example, रुको मैं अभी वापस आ रहा हूँ. Hold on, I will be right back. Hold on, I will be right back. Speak up. To express or voice. बोलना. For example, अपने अधिकारों के लिए बोले. Speak up for your rights. Speak up for your rights. Cover up. To conceal or hide. छुपाना. For example, उन्होंने सच्चाई को छुपा दिया. They covered up the truth. They cover up the truth. Hang around. To wait or loiter. इधर उधर घूमना. कुछ देर इधर उधर घूमो. Hang around for a while. Hang around for a while. Keep an eye on. To monitor or supervise. नजर रखना. For example, बच्चों पर नजर रखें. Keep an eye on the kids. Keep an eye on the kids. Let down. To disappoint or fail. निराश करना. For example, माफ करना मैंने तुम्हें निराश किया. Sorry, I let you down. Sorry, I let you down. Make do. To manage with available resources. काम चलाना. For example, जो है उसी से काम चलाओ. Make do with what you have. Make do with what you have. Move on. To proceed or forget. आगे बढ़ना. For example, भूतकाल से आगे बढ़ो। Move on from the past. Move on from the past. Take it easy. To relax or calm down. आराम से रहना। For example, आराम से रहो, तनाव मत लो। Take it easy, don't stress. Take it easy, don't stress. Take it to heart. To take personally or seriously. दिल से लेना। For example, दिल से मत लो, यह सिर्फ मजाक है। Don't take it to heart, it's just a joke. Don't take it to heart, it's just a joke. Think outside the box. To be creative or innovative. नए दृष्टिकोण से सोचना। For example, नए दृष्टिकोण से सोचो और समाधान ढूंढो। Think outside the box and find solution. Think outside the box and find solution. Use your head to think logically or sensibly. समझदारी से काम लेना। For example, समझदारी से काम लो और बुद्धिमान निर्णय लो। Use your head and make wise decision. Use your head and make wise decision. Watch your step. To be cautious or careful. सावधानी से चलना। For example, सावधानी से चलो, यह फिसलन भरा है। Watch your step, it's slippery. Watch your step, it's slippery. Take off. To remove or depart. उतारना। For example, जूते उतारे, take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Stand out. Excel or distinguish. अलग रहना। For example, भीड़ से अलग रहो। Stand out from the crowd. Stand out from the crowd. Zip up. To close or fasten. बंद करना। For example, जैकेट बंद करो। Zip up your jacket. Zip up your jacket.